One thing Julie has said to me is that the closets here are very dark because, of course, this is the bedroom, the master bedroom, and they usually leave, you know, it's dark. There's only a ceiling light, but they don't keep that on, and it's really dark inside the closets. So I wanted to look at some type of closet lighting for them. Once upon a time, a boy met a girl working for a mouse. They fell in love and realized they'd never own their own home working for the mouse. So they packed up a big truck and moved to New Jersey, lived in a basement to save money for a year, and bought a foreclosure to fix up while they lived there. This is their story. So not only this closet, but also the one over here too. Also very dark. Especially dark. Now this is the opposite bedroom. You got an outlet right here. So if you really wanted to, you could fish a wire from there to the closet on the opposite side, end one in here, and you can put, you know, plug-in kind of closet lights. And I actually did that in my house. When I first moved in and we took down paneling in one of the bedrooms, it was glued onto the sheetrock, so it made a mess, and I wound up just re-sheetrocking a couple of walls. And that gave me the opportunity to wire in outlets inside the closets. But that's not a possibility here. It's two different closets, and today, these days, you have technology. You don't actually need to worry about wiring. So what I have here is a product that I found on Amazon. It's called an LED motion sensor light, and it's rechargeable, so you don't have to run an outlet. So these are from a company called Lightbiz on Amazon, and I reached out to them and said, hey, if you send me a couple, I'll give you a shout out in a video, and they said sure. So these are rechargeable lights. I think there's something like 80 LEDs in here. They are also dimmable, and they have different modes where they could be left on all the time, or you can just set them up for motion sensing. There's a tiny little motion sensor right there, and that's how we're going to use them here. The other cool thing about it is that it has a magnetic strip on the back. When they run out of juice, you just take them down, you recharge them with a micro USB, and you pop them back up. Couldn't be easier. Let's go install these and surprise Julie when she gets home. Now, because the lighting in here is so bad right now, I'm actually using the second one as a video light right now. All right, I just have to peel the backing off of this. And I'm going to put it up here so that the motion sensor is on the right side, because that's the way the door opens. And I'm just going to push it up. That's it. And there you go. It comes right down. The magnet stays up. And yet I can put it back. And now, push and hold the button. Now it's on the red mode. I want it on the blue mode. That's green. That's blue. Blue is motion sensor only. So that's really what we need. And we can make it as bright as we want. So that's really going to blow Julie away when she comes home. For this one, I don't have a video light, but I'm going to do the same thing. I just got to take the backing off. I'm going to put this one right in the middle. And that's already on the blue mode. I'm going to turn it up as bright as possible. You can see it also goes very dim. But for this size closet, we need it as bright as possible. She is going to love this. Now let's just give it a test. There you go. Light on. Now obviously you can see it stays on for a little bit after the door is closed. But after it doesn't sense motion, after, I don't know, 15 seconds or so, it'll go off. There you go, it's off.
Oh, that's nice.
Right?
So much better. It's so bright.
I could film video with that light.
Oh my gosh.
Come and see the other one.
Over there too?
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Wow, right?
That's so nice.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Well, you'll be able to see your clothes in the morning when it's dark.
Yes.
Lightbiz has tons of different size closet lights on Amazon, so I put a link and discount code for these exact lights in the video description. These have 78 LEDs with variable brightness from 150 to 250 lumens, and a passive infrared sensor, which means they go on with motion, not with a physical switch on the door. They have a 3200 milliamp battery, which provides up to 6 hours of constant on time. They get recharged with a micro USB cable included in the box. It's fully charged when all the red LEDs are lit. Now they have 3 different operating modes. For use in a closet, I chose the blue mode, which enables motion sensing regardless of brightness. But if you're going to use them in a bright area, the green mode will do motion sensing, but it won't turn on during the day. And the red mode just keeps them on all the time, so you could use it like a flashlight.
Oh, that's nice.
All right?
All right.
If you'd like to win one of several official Living Flip hats, complete with a HandyDadTV button, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks.